Today I'm going to show you how to make this intro using Canva. Go to Canva and click video, and let's choose this video resolution and go to uploads, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design. Let's increase the size to fit this page, remove the background, and now we can replace the sky. Go to elements and type clouds video. Let's replace the background with the clouds video. Increase the size. Go to layer and send backward. And click on the image. Increase the size of it. Go to animate. Scroll down to breathe. Click in. Let's decrease the size of the video. Go to elements again and type background. Choose video. Let's choose the first one. Go to transparency and decrease to 40%. And the final step, go to text and type your text. Change the font and change the color. Go to effects and click neon. Let's choose glacial font, it's better. Go to animate, scroll down to spread, click in and decrease the timing of the text. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.